Hello students, this is the private class with the Millennium Teacher. The class that teaches the lessons of life based on truth. The class that inspires, motivates, and transforms you into your best version. You're welcome to this class. In case you are new here or you have been in this class but still not registered yet, I encourage you to do so now. You can register for the private class if you are on YouTube by clicking the subscribe button, or you can follow us on TikTok at the private class or on Instagram at the Millennium Teacher. Please register for this class and join us in learning the lessons of life based on truth. You can as well tell others about the class. Share with them the lessons which you are learning here in this class so that they too benefit as well. Don't forget as well to comment on the lessons. You can ask questions or give your views on the lessons or anything relating to the class, and we can deal with them as we move along. In today's class, we continue the lessons on the causes of exam malpractice, and we'll deal with fear of the exam. One of the reasons why students involved in malpractice is because of the fear of exam. They are so afraid of the exam to the point that they involve in malpractice. There are some subjects or courses which we do in school that most students are afraid of. In fact, by just hearing the name of the course, students will panic during exam. For example, mathematics. Most students are afraid of mathematics. By just hearing that today we're going to sit mathematics test or exam, students will be afraid. The panic that falls on them will cause them to involve in malpractice. So the fear of the exam will cause them not to be able to prepare for it. It will not even give them the courage to study the course because they are afraid of it. The fear of the exam will cause a student not to prepare for the exam. And so they involve in malpractice. This is true about life as well. Most of us, the problems we face, the challenges we face, the difficulties we encounter in life, the fear of them is what causes us to involve in evil means in order to solve those problems. The fact you need to understand here is that our problems are not as difficult as they seem, but the fear of them is what makes them even more difficult. Like I have said, when a student is so afraid of an exam, you will find it difficult to prepare for it. It is the same thing when you are so afraid of a problem, you find it difficult to solve it. So you look for illegal ways. Most problems are not that difficult, but just the fear which we attach to them is what makes them more difficult for us. We don't need to be afraid of our problems. We have learned here in this class that our tests and exams, in other words, our problems or challenges, are not beyond our levels in life. We are well capable of solving our problems. And so we need not fear whatever problem we face in life. As it is written in the textbook according to Joshua 1 verse 9. Be strong and be courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Paraphrased, the Lord your God will be with you in whatever problem you face. So this is the confidence, this is the mindset we should have. That no matter the problem we face, God is with us. So we need to be strong. We need to be courageous no matter how difficult the problem might be. Be strong and courageous and know that you are well capable of solving it. So don't be afraid of the problem. So this takes us to the end of the class for today. I hope you have learned a lot. Do not face your problems with fear, but with confidence, with boldness, and with the God whom you serve. Believing that no matter how difficult that problem might be, you are well capable of solving it. Then you'll be able to solve it. Till we meet again in the next class, I have been your teacher, Solomon Joseph Kekora. Class dismissed.